How to become builder with low invest. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pankaj Keda's show, where we make the world a real estate easy and fun to understand. Today we have got something super exciting for you. Well, we are going to explore how you can become a real estate builder with little or almost no money to start with. Well, this video is packed with real life wisdom from our 20 plus years in the fields and insights from the top builders across Asia. In the world of building and creating new spaces, starting with a small budget isn't a barrier. It's a challenge to be smart and creative. So let's dive into how you can do it step by step. Finding the property. If you know a bit about selling properties or real estate, use that knowledge. Look for properties that basically is having joint venture opportunities. This is where you can team up with a landowner. They might prefer getting apartments instead of money for their land, or they might also just want a small money for their land. For example, if a plot costs approximately say around 150 lakhs and you can build 8 two-bedroom apartments on it, for example, selling each for 50 lakhs. That's a big turnover. But what if you don't have the money to buy the plot? You could offer the owners 2 apartments and a smaller cash amount. It's all about negotiating a win-win deal. It's about choosing the best location and offering. Well, out of all these properties you find, pick the one with the best location and the most beneficial offer. Think about where apartments sell quickly, or find out from the survey. For your first project, location is key to making a profit with less investment. Setting clear terms and conditions. Well, when you have got a joint venture deal, or it's also called a JV deal, talk over all the details with the landowner. Make a detailed agreement. Decide when and how much you will pay, what quality of construction you are going to be providing, and when they will basically get their part of the deal. Clear terms mean no surprise later. It's a win-win situation for both the parties. Sign a legal agreement. Moving forward, next, put everything in writing. Let there be a legal agreement. Sign a Memorandum of Understanding, which is also known as MOU, with all the agreed terms. Crystal clear. This legal step protects both you and the landowner and sets the stage for a successful partnership. Start the project. Once the deal is signed, well, get moving. The faster you get the project approved or sanctioned, the sooner you can start, selling and building. Selling a few apartments early on, even at a discounted price, can give you the funds, you need to keep the building in the initial stage. And that's how you start your journey as a real estate builder or developer with minimal investment. If you want to dive deeper into these steps and learn more, I'm here to help you with our real estate game changer, CEO strategy. Well, join our free WhatsApp group community. Link that is there in the description. Thank you for watching till the end. Remember to subscribe to Pankaj Kedas and hit the bell icon for more practical, easy to understand real estate advice. If you enjoy our videos, give us a like to keep the motivation going. Until next time, keep dreaming and building. Thank you very much. Signing off for now. See you in my next video.